Imagine yourself in this 2013 Chevrolet Malibu LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver illuminated vanity mirror, navigation from telematics, adjustable steering wheel, bucket seats, power windows, rear bench seat, telematics, keyless entry, and MP3 player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.